Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Gmail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail password, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to mail.google.com. You must already be signed in to your Gmail account to continue. Once you are signed in, tap the settings icon at the top right and tap See All Settings. Next, go to the Accounts and Import tab and tap Change Password. A new tab will open. You must now verify it's you, so enter your current password and tap Next. Then create a new password and re-enter your new password to confirm. Finally, tap Change Password and tap OK Change Password. And that's how you change Gmail password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.